Yo! We got Fingers Down My Spine coming back, man. Get the bearish music back in the house. What's going on, everyone? Here we go. Here we got some Fingers Down My Spine. What's going on, Drew? What's up, Keith? What's up, Clinton here? What's up, Waterfly? Turn off BB. Oh, man. What's going on, everyone? What's going on? Give some low T. This is the bearish music. We got to get bullish again before we get the bullish music back on, man. What's up, Interactive? Come on the stream so I can ignore people in Walmart with upstanding reasoning. Nice, dude. Nice. Not finger. Boy, you look mighty fine. Don't you run your fingers. What's going on, guys? 21,700. Hopefully we get some price action on stream. Looks like Bitcoin was starting to hit a big pump and dump. Bart Simpson back in the house, boys. That's why we call this a bear market. If you know what I mean. Yesterday we trolled this Mitch Fingers Down My Spine. Most people are... You guys are trolling Mitch. Yo! What's going on, guys? What's going on? 21,655. So, we're getting some price action here early in the stream. What you guys up to today, man? What you guys up to today? It's Monday. We got a big week for crypto this week. I'm sure everyone's out there working and hustling and all that fun stuff. But we got a big week in crypto this week. We're going to discuss what we can expect. If you were here in the member stream this morning, we talked a little bit. But we're going to talk to everyone tonight. All right? So... let's freaking get busy. Let's talk about what we can maybe expect. This Bitcoin is going up, down, and sideways, and kind of just in every single direction. Waterfly just added AVAX, so now it will tank. I love the honesty, man. We know how this market works. Anytime you buy something, it seems to always go down. You know what I'm saying? All right, so hold on one second, guys. I want to see if this works real quick. Hold on one second, man. Here we go. Yo! The chat's not working. Oh, no, the chat's not working. I want to have the chat on the left. Yo, what's going on, man? What's going on? I hope you guys appreciate my new office. This is totally real. Totally a real office here. Just want to say what's up from my office. Right? You can see it's a pretty good setup. You know, we got a nice view in the background. Nice street. You got cars rustling by. I know Clint loves the cars. You know what's going on. So we see on the right side here. We're not going to stay on this. Don't worry, guys. I'm just testing this out. We're not going to stay on the screen. Don't worry. This is not a permanent. I like the setup. Nice, man. You guys are killing me in the chat, man. You like the setup? Nice, dude. Nice. I appreciate you loving the setup, man. It's you said you need you said you need a bigger desk. Holy moly, man! It could barely fit me. Jim Cramer. No, but Bitcoin is coming down a little bit right here. Can we expect further downside action? Can we hold the $21,500 support? Can we really do anything, man? Let's figure it out. What can we expect next? All right, I kind of just wanted to say that. That looks ridiculous. Oh, the chat. There's the chat. It's a little bit small. I'm just kind of testing this out, man. You guys probably can't read the chat over here. That's okay. It doesn't matter, I guess. No, that's not the side project. It's just not the side project. You're crazy, man. All right, let's jump onto this. Let's jump onto the regular chat here because we saw a little bit of. This is pure manipulation. What is going on here? We pumped. George told me we were building a strong base and we were bouncing back to the upside. This is ridiculous. And now we dumped. We're not in a bear market anymore. We are in a bear trend. This is manipulation at its finest. I am done with crypto. I am done. No, but we'll go back to our other screen. We'll go back to my office here. Let's hang out over here real quick, man. Let's go. Nice setup. You look like a giant. Thank you, man. It was a pretty good setup. It's totally a legit office. Don't think it's not real. I'm telling you, man. But anyways, let's jump on in here. We're seeing a little bit of manipulation today, as we like to call it. Let's go to the real quick. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame because right now we are sitting right on top of the support that I want to hold. I've been telling you guys, I want to hold the $21,500 level. If we break that level, you're going to hear a lot of this in the crypto streets.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
After all last week, everyone's saying we're going to 28K, straight to 28K, we're going to the moon. There's no resistance. There's no resistance between 23 and 28. That's all we heard all week last week. Okay, so what are we going to expect? All right, Bitcoin's sitting right. We actually came back down and tested twice today, the $21,500 level. Are we gonna hold that level? That's the question that everyone wants to know. Okay, well, let's take a look what we got in the short-term time frames. Then let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's see. Your new office reminds me of Space Ghost from Coast to Coast. You think so? Let's go check it out again. All right, we'll go back to the office later, man. I'm done with the office right now. I know you guys like the office, man. Put a horse guy behind the desk. Horse guy does not deserve a desk. Okay? I'm telling you right now, he does not deserve a desk. Yeah, guys, smack up that like button for the stream, and let's jump on into it. So, guys, we've been talking about this. The one bullish thing that I think we could take from the charts right now, and I've seen everyone and their mother, everyone and their uncle, everyone and their grandfather, including Mike, which we'll see Mike in a second, everyone is looking at this possible bull flag. Okay? Now, I'm not going to rule it out. I told the members this morning, I told them, I'm not going to get super uber bearish until we break the, hold on one second, man. This is all jacked up. Until we break the $21,500 level. If we break 21,500, that's when it gets really, really shady for me. Until then, as of right now, we're still holding 21,500. So nothing's really changed. The reason why I say 24,500 is because that was previous support, that was previous resistance, looking left. Okay, I would say this though. I would say this at the moment. Okay, if you look at what we did in the 4-hour time frame, it's exactly what we don't want to do. Okay, exactly what we don't want to do. We don't want to break back below the 50 EMA. Okay. Create a big vector candle with big volume pushing you straight below that 50 EMA. You don't want to see that push back down, the rise back up retest, taking that vector candle, and then just pushing right back down to the downside. Okay? That's what we don't want to see here. So right now, yes, you got your 4-hour stock RSI bottomed out. Okay? But I'm going to tell you guys right now what's going on with the charts, man. I'm going to tell you right now what's going on. All right? Here's what I got for you, dude. Hold on. Where's my guy? Where's my guy? There is literally so much volume pushing Bitcoin down. All these idiots on YouTube say we're going to 28K when the world is literally going to shit. There's tanks in front of banks right now, okay? Europe just had their first rate hike. The US is an absolute shithole. How do I know? Because I live in it, okay? There is no volume to the upside. No one's buying right now. We are going straight to the downside. And I will bet my left testicle that we're going back down there. There is too much volume to the downside. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Mike has too much wisdom, man. He says the things that I don't want to say. All right. But right now, I'll continue to say, man, we're in a very interesting spot. Still holding 21,500, and still in this potential bull flag. All right. So nothing's changed yet. Okay. Nothing's changed yet. I want to make that clear before we do that. Now, here's what I'm watching here. Here's what I'm watching, at least for the short-term time frame. All right, let's go look over here. God damn, this mic is funny. All right, here's what I'll say on this. Okay, we got, it's sort of the same thing on the 1 hour time frame, man. It's just, you got the red vector here. So they did push you back up, but they pushed you right back down with some volume, breaking that previous low. Now it's not the end of the world. We've done that a few different times. So if you look left, we made lower lows right here. And we still were able to bounce back to the upside. And no, this is not what you think it is, okay? This is not what you think it is. If I draw two circles on the chart and it has a little upwards price action, it's not what you think it is, okay? It's not what you think it is. We have one low here, we had two lows here, and we continue back to the upside, okay? Now, I'm not going to rule it out that we still can get one low and we can get two lows and bring it back to the upside. But they did smack you down with some volume here. They definitely smacked you down with some volume on this big red vector candle smack to the downside. So, like we've been talking about 21,500, we're coming to an interesting spot. We technically tested it. Are we going to see them come back up to take this again first, right? Take this red vector first before coming back down to the downside and ultimately breaking 21,500? That's the question that we're all asking for right now, okay? So let's see. I mean, right now we technically, I will say again, technically speaking, have bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame, right? We do have some higher lows, and we have lower lows in the price action, so there technically is some bullish divergence there, okay? So take it for what you will, man. Take it for what you will. Let's see. Tino was talking about wheat on his stream yesterday. Seriously? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Oh, man. Handleton's not here. Where's Handleton today? Where is my guy Handleton? It's a little ridiculous if you ask me. I see everyone in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Hold on here. Now we slowly bleed to 14K. Oh, God, man. What's going on, Crazy Eye? Crazy Eye said mama. Why are you saying mama, man? Let's see. Mr. Yeezy said, in the car with 10-year-old niece, stuck in traffic. Can you watch your language for 30 minutes? Thanks. Mr. Yeezy, I will try my best to watch my language, okay? I apologize, man. The good thing is she's 10. Hopefully she doesn't know half the things I'm talking about, okay? That's the good thing that we can possibly hope for here. All right, so 21,628. Let's see if we come back down and break the lows again here. All right, let's find out. Let's find out here. I'm going to try my best to keep my language PG, okay? If Bob comes out and starts swearing, I swear it's not me, okay? PG? I don't keep it PG. I don't care. I'm 35 years old and I live in my basement. You think I care about not swearing? Now, I'm not going to do it because you have your niece in your car. So I'm not going to be a total line, okay? I'm not going to be that. But let me tell you right now, if I start swearing, don't get mad at me, okay? Like I said, I'm 35 years old with no life. It's what I do. It's what I do. I troll and I swear, okay? Bob has pretty nice hair today. Bob, you have pretty nice hair today, man, if you're listening to me, okay? A voice of reason. All right, anyways, man. I'll keep it PG here. Maybe not PG, maybe PG-13. I don't know. Anyways, 21,610. So it looks like we're trying to come back down and break some of these key levels here again. So let's watch, right? Let's watch what we do here in the short term. I'm convinced I'll continue to stick to it, man. I will continue to stick to it. I do think that we're going to break this $21,500 level. The question is, do we do it now or do we get a slight bounce back up first? That's the question we're all waiting for. Now, I did do a little joke in the beginning of the stream. I said, who bought right here? Okay? Now, let me know in the chat. Who bought right here? If you did, it's okay. We've all done it before. Okay? There's no reason to get upset. We've all been there. Okay? We've all been horse guy at one point. Wow! Look at Bitcoin pumping! Wow! Crypto Lifer told me we're going to 28K? Frankie Candles said 28K? Wow! I must listen to them and go all in! Market Cipher never lie! Whoa! Wow! Look at the pump on the candle! It is beautiful! It even smells a little bit like roses! I'm buying now! I'm buying right now! Who bought right there? Let me know, let me know. Let me know. But anyways, I'm sort of just trolling a little bit. You guys know I like to troll. Let me know. But anyways, I'll get back to my point here. I'm trolling just a little bit, okay? I'm sort of just trolling. You guys know I like to troll a little bit. Here's the thing. Let me get rid of this. Back on the daily chart, to be a little serious here, okay? Bruno said he sold there. Hey, it is what it is. If you bought right there for a longer term hold, whatever, man. I mean, you do you. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is, man. I mean, listen, 23K in a couple years, I don't think you're going to be sweating it anyway. So at the end of the day, don't beat yourself up too much, okay? I'm just sort of kidding around. You know me. Anyways, let's get back over here. The daily chart. Let's look at the daily chart for what it is. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm just going to look at the daily chart of what it's showing me. Okay, and I'm going to tell you guys right now. I want to spin this. I want to spin the chart into some bullish chart. I want to. I want to spin this in some bullish way. I actually looked very, very hard to find something that was bullish on anything other than like the 4-hour chart. And to be quite fair, like I said, man, the only thing that I'm looking at is that we did break the range and we're coming back down to back test. Okay, this is the bullish thing that I could see is that we broke out. We're just coming back down to back test before we continue to the upside. But you know my take, and you know what I've been saying for a long time now. Okay, you know what I've been saying is that we've done this price action. Hold on, I just see Dan commenting about my forehead. I know I had to say this. Boss, your forehead is looking more and more like mine each day. Hey, man. Only sexy guys have great foreheads, and only sexy guys realize that other sexy guys have great foreheads, okay? So, Dan, I appreciate you. Thank you. Clint said, don't sugarcoat anything. Okay, I won't sugarcoat anything. But anyways, we're just doing the same pattern we've done every single time, man. And that could change. The only thing that could change that is if we hold this level, we start bouncing back to the upside, and we start partying, like the USA, like Miley Cyrus did, all right, back in like 2010, all right? You know, that's the only thing I'm looking for. If this level breaks, it's just the same thing where we make higher highs and we make higher lows, okay? And we just create a bear flag before we continue to the upside, all right? And I've been saying, man, it's like the 50 EMA was the level I was watching. If we couldn't get back over that, it is what it is, man. Nothing really changed. What did we do? We came back up, have a couple wicks above the 50 EMA. We had everyone and their mother come out and start saying this. I am George. We're all George. Guys, look at the Bitcoin addresses chart. The Bitcoin addresses just continue to rise every single day, okay, throughout this bear market. Now, I know the Bitcoin addresses have been going up every single week for Bitcoin's entire history through every bear market, through every dump, okay? But that's beside the point. Bitcoin addresses continue to pump back to the upside. We are so bullish right now. Bitcoin has just absolutely blasted to the upside, and now we're seeing at $24,000, man. We are absolutely killing it to the upside right now, and I don't think there's anything that can stop Bitcoin. We really have no resistance until all the way up at 28K. So I think we could be at 28K next week, guys. I really, really do. I really, really do. All right? So other than that, let me do some Q&A. And we'll jump into the rest of the charts here. DataWare said, George, did you create a bunch of new Bitcoin addresses again today? No, I would never do that, man. I would never do that. Get out of my chat, by the way. Get out of my chat. I'm just kidding. All right, anyways, let's get out of there. But no, in all seriousness, man. I mean, I don't... Here's what I'll say, man. You guys know I love crypto. You guys been watching my channel. Here's what I'll say. If you guys have been watching my channel for longer than since November. You know I don't want to be bearish, and I have so much fun when we're bullish, man. You guys know that, all right? We put the moon helmet on. We party like the freaking USA over here. But I'm going to tell how it is, and nothing's changed, okay? Nothing's changed. We've just done the same exact thing over and over and over again. We make a bear flag to the upside, okay? And then we make a little bit of a higher high. Everyone gets pumped, and then we dump, all right? I want to be bullish, but at the same point, I'm not going to sit up here and lie when nothing has changed, in my opinion. Something can change. It can, certainly. But we've done this 3 times before, all right? So until something changes, I'm going to remain.
Bitcoin is bearish.
It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Hold on, let me take a sip of water. Ugh, man. Liam said, yeah, I'm trapped in a dumb position right now. Liam, all I can say about that is, man, is you thought it was a dumb position. You thought it was a smart position at the time. So all you can do is, if you make a mistake, is go back and look at why you made the decision and how you're going to make a different decision next time. That's really it. You know, if we want to just sit back in my office and keep it real, you know what I mean? I love my office, man. My office is great. If you just want to sit in my office and keep it real, man, like you want to come sit with me, we can talk about it. It is what it is. Listen, man, all you can do when you make a bad decision is just look back, ask yourself, why the hell did I buy at 24K? Okay? Ask yourself, why did I buy at 24K and why did I not buy at 19K? Ask yourself that question, okay? Most of the time it's going to be because of fear or greed, okay? So you need to get that freaking mindset out of your head that I'm not going to buy when the prices are going down and I'm going to buy when the prices are going up, okay? The classic. What? Oh, why is this not working, man? Why is this not working? Is that budget CNN? He said budget CNN. That's funny, man. That's really, really funny. What did I buy? Is this channel about crypto? It is true. It is about crypto. No, in all seriousness, man. Think about why you made that decision and sort of go from there.
I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
There you go. I'm gonna buy the top and sell the bottom. But yeah, really nothing's changed, man. And quite honestly, we talked about the daily stock RSI crossing to the downside, and you know, I kept saying, I mean, the last 8 iterations of the daily stock RSI crossing to the downside have resulted in a giant dump back down, usually to the previous lows. Okay, so you got it back at July 21st when you were up at 23.4. Okay, we're not like crazy amount, like we didn't dump too much lower, right? I mean, we dumped a little bit. It's nothing crazy just yet. Like I said, I'm not going to get too up in arms until we break 21.5. But I'll continue to say, we break 21.5, we most likely are coming back down to the bottom of this flag here. Probably back down to like 20,200, 20,300, depending on if and when we break it, right? Let's see. You know, buy the tops and sell the bottoms? Of course, man. Never wants to work, man. It never wants to work. Unfortunately. All right, let's see. All right, let's continue on here. So, same type of deal. I mean, it's really a lot of the same. I mean, right now we're just on a waiting pattern, in my opinion, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got this big downtrend of resistance on the daily. Where'd you come up to at that same point? You came back up and retested that resistance again, and you got rejected again back to the downside. Now, I told you guys the one thing I'm waiting for in the daily time frame is a break of this RSI support. Okay, this RSI support breaking has been the sort. Excuse me, man. I'm over here burping, not farting. Every time we break this RSI resistance right here, or sorry, support, that's been a precursor to us having a pretty nice size dumparoo back down to the downside. Okay, right here back in April 5th, we crossed right at this candle right here. We dumped down to the oblivion. Right here, we crossed it right here on June 9th, we dumped to the oblivion. We're still holding it right now. We still actually got a lot of leeway to work with right now, all the way up at, we got a little bit leeway to go. We need to dump a little bit more to break that. But if we do break that, I'm going to go with what we've done in the past, which is seen a pretty good sized move to the downside. But just like we said, that's not confirmed until we at least break 21.5. All right, so let's go on from there. You love rejection? Oh yeah? I think Jabba loves rejection too. Let's see what Jabba's doing in his room right now. No. Why is my head floating? Why is my head floating? Move it back down to the downside. There we go. Just like I like it. Down to the downside. Wait, speaking of downside, look at the Bitcoin price. You know what this does to my body. Let me call Melissa. Where's my phone? Oh, I don't have it. Oh, she's right here. Melissa, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah, you know what to do. The price is dumping. You know what to do. Yeah, no, you want a new car? You want a new car? You better turn around. All right, we're getting a little carried away here. All right, let's get out of this. Let's get out of this. Guys, let me know if you like the price ticker up top. By the way, with the little Bitcoin ticker and the little Ethereum ticker up top. Let me know. Let me know. So it's not like a huge addition, but let me know if you like it. It keeps you updated, I guess. I only worked on it for a few days. Anyways, let's get off this. Whoa, what is going on here? Everything's refreshing. Oh, it's gonna be one of these where everything refreshes, man. Anyways, you know, it's just sort of the same thing. E-ticker's a nice touch. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. No, but I mean, same thing on the weekly time frame, guys. I mean, look at the weekly. Look at the weekly. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, and this is actually, to me, this could change real quick. I mean, guys. I mean, just like last week where we pumped to the upside above the 200 week and then we bounced right back down to the downside. This could easily just bounce right back up. We know how crypto works, okay? We know how crypto works, and this week is going to be super volatile. I'm going to be honest. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes to the upside or downside this week, depending on what the news is, especially with the rate hikes, and so some with earnings coming out this week, but mostly the rate hikes. I mean, really, what we did is we pumped back over the 200 week, and now we're getting a rejection from there. Okay, that's sort of the second rejection that we got from there. Are we just going to dump right back down to the downside now? Okay, and you guys know me. You know what my favorite formation is. What's my favorite formation? Because I want to see this formation until we bottom. What's my favorite formation, man? My one hope that I actually want Bitcoin to do this so much. I want Bitcoin to do this more than anything in the world. Okay, I mean more than anything. I honestly, I want nothing more than this. It's the Bitcoin to actually come back up and create the big giant W formation, right, on top of the 300 moving average. That would be so awesome. And use the 200 moving average as the neckline. That would be more. That would be so beautiful and so rich that I would love this. You got the first hit to the downside. We got the retrace. Now can we come back down, test the 17, 18, 19K level, maybe make a higher low, and then try to move back to the upside? This is what I want to see in the grand scheme of things, okay? And I'd love to just do it right now. I don't want to be messing around, dinky dunking, doing anything in the world. Let me know in the chat if you think this is possible. Let me know if you think it's possible in the weekly time frame. I quite frankly think that it is. You know what I mean? Let's see. Van said uneven butt cheeks is my fave. Uneven butt cheeks? What are you talking about, man? So you like one butt cheek that's just huge and one that's small? Or do you talking about you like the one butt cheek that's up and one's down? Or do you like one sideways and one up? Let me know in the chat. I don't know what you're talking about there, my friend. He said V. I think everyone wants the V. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course we want the V-shaped recovery to the upside. Who wouldn't want the V-shaped recovery to the upside, you know? Let's see. Double V? Yes? WW? Anything's possible. That's true, Brian. Anything is possible, man. Anything is possible. All right, let's go back to BTC short-term time frames. Man, we're just sort of hovering right on support here, man. What do you guys think? Let me do a poll real quick in the chat, by the way. Let me do a poll real quick. Do you think Bitcoin breaks 21.5K by Wednesday? Do you think Bitcoin breaks 21.5K by Wednesday on a daily close? on a daily close by Wednesday? Let me know in the chat. Do you think Bitcoin breaks 21.5K on a daily close by Wednesday? Answer the poll in the chat. Also, smack up that like button for you, boy. I'm going to go through some of the super chats here in just a second, guys. Let me see what you guys said in the chat here. I'm going to go through some of these super chats in my office while we watch some short-term price action. And then we'll jump into some longer-term charts and have a little bit of fun. A little bit of fun action in here. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go back to over here. Man, this office is awesome, man. I've always wanted this. I've always wanted this, man. This is better. This is even better than Crypto Banter's office, isn't it? It's even better than Rand's. Anyways, let's do this. Marcus said, coming back into crypto after a long time. How do you feel about Cody? It's one of those lower cap alts that. I mean, I think Cody's out of the top 100 right now. I'm not touching anything out of the top 100 at the moment, man. You know what I'm saying? Anything out of the top 100. You guys can barely see this little chat here, huh? Man. I got to update this chat, man. You guys can barely see this chat. It's actually kind of jacked up. But anyways. Yeah, I mean, Cody, if you like Cardano, you should like Cody. I mean, listen, man. I'll say this about lower cap altcoins. They're going to be hit or miss. I will say this. I think by the time the next bull run happens, I do think that we're going to get some regulation on stable coins, and I do think we're going to get some regulation on certain types of alts. So when it comes to lower cap alts, I will say this. I'm going to wait a little bit on lower cap altcoins. That's not for everyone, right? I'm mainly going to stick to the top ones. But Cody, as far as the lower cap one, I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Let's see. I don't have anything against it. It's not like XRP or Litecoin. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Grinnin said, feel like I'm on Twitch. Nice. Lower cap alts are a gamble. Place your bets. It's very true, man. it's pick your poison. That's what I always say. Red said, did you miss my super chat? Birthday wish from my brother. He loves Bob. In Bob's voice, please. Okay. So basically, you want Bob. Something's not right with you in that desk. I fit, okay? It fits me. No, but in all seriousness, so you want Bob's birthday wish? What's your birthday wish, man? Red said, my brother loves Bob. It's his birthday. Can Bob tell my brother happy birthday? He would he would love to hear it. His name is Al K. Hollick. Come on, man. Are you serious? Are you serious? He said his name is Al K. Hollick. That's wrong, man. That's wrong. But yes, we'll have Bob come and do happy birthday, man. Ready?
Hey, Al! Hey, I don't like you. I think you're an idiot. And quite frankly, I would never be friends with someone named Al. Al just sounds like an idiot. But here you go, man. Happy friggin' birthday. I got you some meatloaf. You want some? Well, too bad. I'm eating it.
All right. Anyways, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Al. It's alcoholic. That's funny. Elliot said, guys, ignore the pre-Fed jitters. Gun go up. Oh, God, the pre-Fed jitters. I mean, to be fair, last time I do believe that Bitcoin went up on the rate hikes, you know? So, take it for what you will. Or the rate hike, I should say. Not to sound like an idiot. Mr. Yeezy said, in the car with a 10-year-old niece. I apologize, Mr. Yeezy. We won't do that again. Truth said, LOL, this dude super chatting and driving with niece in car. Sounds safe. Wouldn't be worried about language if you... God. We got to fight through super chats here. Oh, God, man. He said, one guy said, watch your language. I got my niece in the car while I'm driving. Another guy said, you're super chatting while you got your niece in your car. Oh, Lord, man. We got shots fired all coming through here. Where's the warning shots fired? We need this right now. By the way. Warning shots fired. Holy moly, man. Warning shots fired. Crazy said, Mama, what's going on, Crazy Eye? Good to see you, buddy. Red, appreciate you too, my man. All right. So we got through those. I mean, he's not wrong. He's not wrong, to be fair. I mean, I guess it is what it is, man. You guys can chat about that in the chat. I'll leave that for you. All right. So we're waiting on short-term price action for BTC. What else can we really say? Right? What else can we really say here? Let me look at the poll that we did. So I asked, do you think Bitcoin breaks 21.5K on a daily close by Wednesday? 70% of people said yes. 30% of people said no. So we got, it's crazy. I guess we're not that far. All right. And this is not a daily close. But it's funny because a couple days ago, what did we have? What did we have a couple days ago, my friends? Okay. A couple days ago, we had this. We had everyone, I think I asked the same poll, and it was like 70% bullish. Now it's 70% bearish. Once again, price action for the win. Everyone flips the narrative as the price action kind of happens. But hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. We know how this space works. Let me see, man. Let me see. We know how this space works. All right. Excuse me, man. I'm sort of coughing here. The S&P. All right, it's going to refresh here for some reason. Okay. All right, the S&P wanted to refresh on me. So let's go back to the S&P. The S&P. Right here. The S&P actually held up today. Now, is it going to hold up going into tomorrow is the question. We still, like we've been saying, man, I mean, we still have this gap down here, right? This lovely, lovely gap back down at 3,800 that, I mean, to be quite frank, we know these gaps usually get filled, okay? We know, for all my gap boys in the back, we know these gaps usually get filled. So the question remains, are we going to come back and fill it? You know what I'm saying? Of course we're going to friggin' fill it. They always fill, dumbass. Friggin', Sky Jordan's a friggin' jackass. He doesn't know anything. Of course we're going to fill it. Stop trying to sugarcoat and cater to the bulls. You know we're going back down. There's nothing bullish on any time frame. Nothing bullish on the stock market. Nothing bullish on the DXY. Nothing bullish in the whole world. Of course we're going to go fill that friggin' gap. Okay? If you still say we're going to fill it, I'm going to come up there and I'm going to... No, I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't. I was going to say something that's very inappropriate, but we're not going to go there. Mike, we can't say that. Not on YouTube. Not on YouTube, man. We can't do it. No, but in all seriousness, if the S&P comes back down, I'm expecting Bitcoin to come back down as well. It's just another kind of, I guess, clue you can say in the charts, as we like to say. What else we got, man? What else we got? DXY wants to refresh too. Okay. Of course you do. Of course you do, DXY. You don't want to refresh all day, but you do now. We know how this works. Okay. Yeah, I mean, DXY is just kind of chilling on the short-term time frames. Nothing really else going on here, as we can say. You know, nothing really going on the old little Dixie, as we like to call it. You know, we could probably come up with something. You know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Maybe a little DXY falling wedge break to the upside. Maybe we could do that. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, the DXY, it's consolidating like it has before. I'm still expecting it to go to the upside here at some point, though. And I don't see any reason why it wouldn't continue to the upside, to be quite frank. All right? Let's see. I could have got out of ETH twice and didn't. Hey, man, listen. Here's what I'll say, man. You said you could have got out of ETH and you didn't. Think about why you didn't, okay? Why did you not get on ETH up here? Why? At the deep core of it, you didn't sell your ETH. I mean, you might still be right? Maybe ETH does bounce and hold this support here that we're going to talk about, and ETH does come back up and bounce back to the upside, okay? So maybe you end up being right here, okay? So don't think you're wrong. You certainly could bounce back to the upside. We'll talk about it in a second, but let's assume that ETH dumps here and comes back down. Ask yourself, Why did you not take profits here, and why did you not take profits here? And this goes to my good friend Fahid. All right, Fahid's one of the homies. He comes to every single stream. He turns out. I appreciate Fahid. Okay, why did you not take profits there? Okay, ask yourself deep. 2 reasons. You thought it was going to go higher. Okay, and option number 2, you were greedy. Okay, you thought it was going to go higher and you wanted more. You thought it was going to go higher and you wanted more. I think the most important thing that we can think about when your gut tells you to take profits, all right? When your gut tells you to take profits, you should think about it. You should definitely think about it and think, if it doesn't continue higher, am I going to be pissed off that I didn't take profits? That's what I say. I mean, if you're sitting and ETH is sitting on this green candle right here, and you think, shit, if this is the top, am I going to be pissed if ETH comes back down to the downside and I didn't take any profits? If the answer is yes, you should probably think about it, okay? But hey, I mean, we all do it sometimes. It is what it is, right? We all think the price is going to go higher, and it doesn't, okay? All you can do is learn from it, though. It's all you can do is learn from it, right? You don't go broke by paying yourself, but you can go broke by not taking profits and it coming right back down to your entry or lower, right? Especially in a bear market. It is what it is. But right now, I mean, it's not the end of the world. ETH is still holding support, right? ETH, we want to see break about 1,451 to get like uber bearish. If it breaks 1,451, I think it can come back down pretty damn quick to take some of these vector candles looking down here. All the way back down at 1287. I think there's another one. Yeah, this blue vector all the way back down here to like 1154. And honestly, this wick down here on the 4 hour too, to be quite fair. But anyways, that's besides the point. If it does break the support, it's coming back down here, man. It's gonna look like a giant Bart Simpson pattern, quite frankly. So let's see if it breaks there. Right now, I mean, I would be surprised if you get maybe a little bit of a short-term move to the upside, just because your 4 hour stock RSI is bottomed out right at support. And I wouldn't be surprised if you do come up, right, make some type of lower high before curling back down to the downside, to be quite frank. If I had to be quite frank with you, you know? But, hey, this is what it is, man. Daily time frame, still topped out on the daily stocks, got the cross to the downside. We know what the daily stocks cross means, man. And if you look at the daily, man, the daily, oh God, that would be so brutal, man. I don't want to see this happen, man. Where ETH just comes straight back down, Bart Simpson, straight back down and take these vectors down here, right? I mean, you guys can see it right here. Look at what ETH is setting up. And I'm not going to say it's 100% going to happen, but just look at the chart and see what ETH is setting up. Right, let's bring out Captain Bart Simpson on the chart here. You can see it yourself. It's setting up for a Captain Little Bar. Now, we know this is the bear market special. The bear market special is Bart Simpson, okay? And quite frankly, this is some beautiful hair. It looks like Bart Simpson did his hair today. And quite frankly, we don't want to see this. I don't want to see this because I know how this market works, and I know there's a lot of people who bought up here on these wicks. Okay, so it is what it is. Let's hope that, really 1463 holds. But hey, we're sitting there, man. To be quite frank, who the hell is Victor? You want to know who Victor is? Bob will tell you.
I know who Victor is. Victor is Tino's friend. You know Tino? Tino's freaking awesome. I've been learning so much from Tino. He talks about W patterns and M's. You know why I love those? Because they remind me of Wendy's and McDonald's. Now, I don't eat any of that stuff anymore. I don't have the money for that, right? I used to have the money for that, like off the dollar menu, but I don't have that money anymore. So I just watch Tino because he says W for Wendy's, M for McDonald's. It's great. It's freaking great. Wait, is that a French fry right there? Oh my, look at that French fry. Look at that fry. Look at that French fry on the screen. Speaking of Victor.
going nuts on the French fry. But no, in all seriousness, man, let me turn this off. let me get off this. But we don't want to see that for Captain Ethereum. So let's hope that it holds the support here. In all seriousness, man. Let's go back to BTC. All right, here comes BTC, 21,586. We coming back down, man. We coming back down, my friends. All right, here we go. 21.5. Coming to test 21.5, my guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Someone said, I love when you guys just see me going nuts and you guys go, wow. You got people in the chat just going, wow. This guy's an idiot. I love it. That makes, I guess, the more of an idiot. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there. All right, here we go. 21.5. Let's see. P.S. Red is a woman. Red hair. Oh, red. Nice, dude. I said, dude, nice, dude. That's just how I talk. I apologize, but I apologize. Red. I will call you ma'am from now on. Does that sound good, ma'am? No, most women hate being called ma'am. Maj, you like being called ma'am? She said no. Ma'am and what's the other one that girls hate? Ma'am and miss. It makes you just sound old. It's like sir. Like I don't like when people call me sir. I know it's out of respect, which I mean, who would look at me and want to give me any respect? You know what I'm saying? Who would look at me? I mean, look at me. Who would want to look at me and give me any respect? Anyways, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. We can look at some alts. I mean, look where Bitcoin's coming right now. It's coming to test that bull market, or the not bull market, bull flag support level. All right, let's see if this holds here on Captain BTC. Let's watch. Let's watch here, man. Sir, Madam or Mad solely. Also being polite. Yeah. Sir Jordan, sir. Don't call me sir. Do not call me sir. Sir. I will come out and I'll call you sir. Mr. Easy said, good looking out, Jordan. To the guy who sent the super chat, suck it easy. He said, keep it PG, and then he tells the other guy, suck it easy. Man. Don't be saying that too loud, man. Wait, what? Al is crying. Can you wish his twin brother Hugh? Hugh asshole. Where are you coming up with these jokes? Oh man. Where are you coming up with these jokes? Alright, anyways. Let's get off that. 21.6. What's going on, Ed? Ed just comes in and says, what up, Joy? What's going on, Ed? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. Alright. He's trying to bounce back up again. Let's watch carefully here. We got the daily close coming up. Where do we want to close above the daily close? All right? Well, for all my bulls out there, I need you guys to come out right now. I need all the bulls in the chat to come out right now. All the bulls. I'm not coming out. I'm too sexy. I'm the sexiest man on YouTube. I have huge six-pack abs and blue eyes. Huge six-pack abs and blue eyes do not fight for the cause. Okay? We simply sit back and do our thing. All right? That's all I have to say. Six-pack abs for the win, baby. All right. Now go. No, seriously. Bulls, let's go. We need to close above 21.5. I need to see all the shorts and all the seals in the chat right now. Let's get it. All my bulls. This is the moments that we've all been waiting for our whole lives. If we want to see wealth prosperity, we must hold the $21,500 level on a daily close. The bears have pushed us back to our front gates, and now we must hold them back. If we do not hold them back from here, it is not looking good for our wives, it is not looking good for our children, and it is not looking good for our land. So fight back and spam the swords and spam the shields in the chat, and we will take back the land that is rightfully ours, that was given it to us by our ancestors. Fight No.
That was by far the worst speech I've ever seen. That did not hype me up one bit. It actually, to be quite frank, it actually wants me to make the price go down even more. That actually makes me want to even see Shiba go down. What kind of speech was that, you idiot?
All right. All right, looks like 21.5, 21.571. 21.571. All right, here we go. 21.555. We're coming back down into Goblin Town. All right. We're getting some volume coming in. Here it goes, my friends. Here it goes. Let's go back to the old little showroom, shall we? Yeah, here we go. 21,537. Here we go. So this is going to be it. We broke the 20 EMA with some force, with some conviction. Will we bounce? Let's see. Let's see, man. Will we bounce? We want to hold 21,500. You guys can see on my desk, 21,531. All right. Let's see what we do here. As always, guys, remember to keep smack up that like button. Appreciate it. Helps out the stream more than anything you guys can do. Appreciate you. Seriously, man. Seriously. That's appreciate for all you guys being here every single day, even through the bear market, man. It's crazy how you guys sit here through the bear market every single day. Michael said, war between Bob and Viking. It's all going to... Oh, God. Dump it like yesterday. Oh, here it is, 21.5. We're breaking it right before the daily close. Oh, man. But... All right, I'm going to wait till the daily close to talk shit. You know me. I'm going to talk shit, though. You know me. You know why? Because I'm very competitive. I'm very competitive. I don't need to be right, but I like being... I'm very competitive. I don't like being wrong. I said I don't need to be right, but I don't like being wrong. Anyways, let's see here. Red said, I've been drinking thinking. Nice. Mammon Lady is horrible. Yes. Lady is horrible, too. Yes. Yes. Goblin Town, here we come. Talking shit is better than eating shit. That's true. That's true. Here we go. 21,400. There it is, man. Everyone fell for another bear market rally. I'm gonna wait to talk shit. You know, it is what it is. 20K, here we come. Yeah, I will say this. I'm sort of just kidding right now, guys, by the way. Don't take me too seriously. Let me take off this chat. You guys can't even see the chat, by the way. Can you guys see? You guys want me to keep the chat up or remove the chat? Let me know. I can actually make the chat a little bit better here. Hold on. Let me make the chat a little bit better. Because you guys can't even see the damn chat, man. Let me make it white. Or blue. Let me see. Oh, blue, you can't even see anything, man. Let's make it white. No, you're not going to be able to see white either. Ah, man. It's going to be all type of jacked up. Make it bigger, maybe? Make it yellow? Remove chat? Just say remove chat. Alright, we'll move chat. I can see my own chat. Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough. I wanted to see what you guys wanted. 21,287. Alright, so... I mean, exactly as we predicted, we break 21.5. There it is. So if we end up closing down here, all right, there's two levels that I'm watching. Okay, it's the bottom of this yellow vector candle here, and these are places for possible short-term bounces. We could bounce right here off of 20,787. That's the first level I'd watch. That's simply the bottom of this daily vector candle here. Okay. That's the first one. The second one is if we continue to break down, we're coming back down to test the bottom of the bear flag. All right? Which is all the way back down at the moment as 20,100. But that's going to move up every day. Okay? So keep that in mind. Those are the two levels I'm watching for going forward here, though. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Looks like they are auctioning off and the bids are going down. Seriously? They're auctioning off? Let's see. You look like you work on CNN, but your chair broke. It's so true. I do look kind of awkward. I do look so big on the chair. I really do look so big on the chair. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. 21.2 though. Oh man, look at this. Look at this 15-minute candle to the downside. It's pretty brutal. Let's look left on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so man, if this closes down here, that's going to confirm the breakdown. We got 8 minutes into the close. Let's wait 8 minutes. If they dump it and they bring it right back up above this bull flag right here, right? If they pump it right back above this bull flag right here, we're all good. We're all good, man. All right? Let me go back to the regular time frames. You guys can see. If they close it back up here, it's all good. But for right now, here's what I'll say, man. If this closes down below here, below 21.5, below this level here, right? We got a couple interesting things going on in the charts. Let's see where we can go to. So the first level I'd look at, which is just an hourly Victor candle, as we like to call it. Where's my Victor candle here? There it is. There's my Victor candle. Back down here. So that's about 21K even. 21K, yeah, right around 21K. Below that, I mean, you got like 20,200, which I think could be an interesting level too. So 21,200 would be the level below that I look for. So, yeah, man, we got some interesting stuff here, and especially on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. We actually wicked right to the bottom of this yellow vector here. But anyways, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, to me, this was just a dump below the 50 EMA, a retrace to the 50 EMA, and a continuation. Right? If you guys watch Tino, that is textbook, man. Shout out to my guy Tino again. Tino, if you're in here, show your face, man. Go check out Trader's Reality, by the way. Go check him out. He's the absolute stud, man. No, but you broke below the 50, retrace to the 50, continuation. Beautiful. It's like the opposite. If you flip this upside down, that'd be a completely bullish setup. But like we said, man, I mean, we'll see. We close in 6 minutes. The bulls need to push it back over 21.5. But we'll see. We close in 6 minutes. I mean, if it closes below there, right now we're still holding that RSI level. But I mean, look at how close we are now, man. One more red day, and that could break that daily RSI level that we've been watching right here. You see this? Bada bing, bada boom. That started every single big dump. Okay, this one here, this one here, this one here. We're coming right up on that level right now. Very, very close. Very, 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 very close. Crunk said Jordan looks different today. Do I look good or bad, Crunk? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat, man. No Tino tonight? God damn. That's too bad. That's too bad. It is what it is. No, he's here. Tino. You know why? Because he's here. Let's see what Tino has to say about the current price action, man.
Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, my guys? What's going on? I guess not so happy days today, man. Steve called the move in, and we're getting the move to the downside. Once again, man, we saw the giant fake out to the upside and the move back down, man. We know we got the FOMC meeting coming up on Wednesday. Was this just a precursor, getting everyone to FOMO back in before we see massively bearish news coming out on Wednesday? Well, that's what we're going to find out today, man. But it looks like right now we have broken that W formation. So we were talking about this W formation right here on the daily. We wanted to see it come back down and retest, but you can see what it's doing now, man. It's coming back down and breaking that W formation. So now, that's not looking too good. That's not looking too good, man.
Anyway, I'm done with that. But you guys get the point. Like, it is what it is. Let's see. Tino's invisible. He is. I want to see what he looks like, seriously. I think everyone does. That's like one of the mysteries of crypto. What does Tino look like, you know? What does he look like? I wonder what Chris is... What is MM Crypto doing right now? I have no idea what MM Crypto is doing. MM Crypto is probably just going nuts, going absolutely nuts right now. MM Crypto seems like you would hang out with Horse Guy, no? Let's see what Chris is doing. And yes, Horse Guy. And yes, Horse Guy. And yes, you should not wear sandals. You should not wear any sandals on the beach, Horse Guy. Yes, yes, and yes, Horse Guy. I do believe we are going to go up from here. Yes, exactly, horse guy. I do believe we're not going to go up from here. We are extremely bullish right now, and there is massive long position over on Bybit. You should use my link, horse guy. Yes, you should use it. Wait, Chris, you think I should use your link? I could use your Bybit link. Can I do 100x leverage like you? I'm a genius just like you. Can I follow your trades? Why? Yes, horse guy, you can use my trades. Just, yes, go 100x long right now, and you will have no problem. But make sure you're not wearing any shoes, because you'll only be bullish if you're wearing no shoes, okay? Wow, that's awesome! Yes, I am going to use your link. I'm going to use your link, and I am going to be rich just like you. I'm going to live in Dubai, just like you. Yes! No more manipulation. I love you, Chris. It seems like Horse Guy and Chris would get along. I don't know. That's just me. I don't know. Who wouldn't get along with Chris? I don't know. Chris just seems like he would get along with everyone. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Skillful. Appreciate the shout out for the likes, my friend. Let's see. 18K by 27th. Interesting. Don't forget your magic crystals. Oh, God. Manipulation. Don't worry. You don't need shoes where we're going. Oh, God. I don't want to know what that means. I want to have no idea what that means, you know? All right, 2 minutes into the daily close, guys. 2 minutes into the daily close, by the way. See what you guys are saying in the chat. If I ever say I'm moving to Dubai, shoot me. Crane, you would never move to Dubai, man? The only thing I don't like about Dubai is Dubai just seems like that type of place where like super materialistic people go who are just like love to show off all their stuff. You know? I guess that's the only thing I don't like about Dubai, in my opinion. Michael Saylor buying is the capitulation signal. Oh, did Michael Saylor buy? Oh, we're screwed. We're absolutely screwed. Let's see. Oh, Bruno, my bad. Bruno said, if BTC hits 10K, will you ask Maya to marry you?
Nope.
Hell no, man. Hell no. And that's no offense to her, but that wouldn't happen with anyone. You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is. Kane said, I wait for the moment when Chris will tell us everyone's spitting in his face and every scene is pumping. Every scene is pumping. Every scene. View mana. Yeah, we can check out some alts. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down again here. 21,290. We're breaking the lows again, my friends. So let's get hype in the chat. You said you want to check out mana? All right, daily close, man. We close below 21.5. There it is. But I thought we were bullish. I love trolling you guys. You know why? You know why I'm trolling? Do you know why I'm trolling? And honestly, guys, I'm just kidding with you. But the only reason why I'm trolling is because all you guys wanted to troll me up here. It's telling me you're dumb. We're going straight to 30K. No resistance is here. So I gotta troll you guys back a little bit. You know how it is. You know how it is, man. If you can troll me on the way to the upside, I can troll you on the way to the downside. Okay? Be a cool sport. It is what it is. I'm a competitive person, you know? Let's see. 20K. Where is the horse guy? I don't know. Let's see. 100K tomorrow. Do you guys... Bear... The YouTuber said us, not us. True. No, I'm kidding. A lot of you guys didn't say it. But every YouTuber I watched told me we were going straight to 28K. Clint said you're trolling because you have a short in play. Upside isn't anywhere near as touchy. That's true. That's true, man. Buy the dip and sell the rip? Could be. Coming down to take that vector? Yeah, probably. That's my first target. 20,787. We'll see where we end up, though. It's not the end of the world. Like, I know we're talking like 21.5. Like, if we break that, it's like we're friggin' screwed. Which we don't want to break that, because now, I mean, we look left. We have broken this previous high and this previous high. Right? But still not the end of the world. You know what I mean? We could still come back down here to the bottom of the bear flag and still pump right back to the upside. I'm just trolling. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trolling. They should put interest rate at 100%. Yeah. Where's the dump violin? Here you go. Next bull run, I gongo Gucci bandana. No, don't get the Gucci bandana, man. Just get a bandana. You don't need the Gucci one. Just go to the store, get a plain one, go to a print shop, have them write Gucci on it. There you go. You get a Gucci bandana for 10% of the price. There you go, man. Boom. Mind blown, right? Mind blown. And no one will ever know it's not a real Gucci one. So there you go, man. Seriously. I don't get why people don't do that. Oh, yeah, let me get a plain t-shirt that says Gucci on it. A plain t-shirt that has black letters that just say Gucci on it. Just buy a white t-shirt, go to a print shop, have them print Gucci on it. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Like, holy moly, man. That's probably what people do, to be honest. That's probably what most people do. I'm just dumb and I don't realize that, but it is what it is. Spam the chat. What will other people think if it doesn't say Gucci and it doesn't cost $200? Oh my God, people will think less of you. Oh, it's the end of the world. It is what it is. Let's see. Whenever I hear we're going to the moon, it's time to short. True. I have them print Fruit of the Loom on my t-shirts. Facts. Clint prints Pussy on mine. Nice, man. Trademark infringement? How would they know if some random guy was walking down the street with a fake Gucci shirt on? They would have no idea. What's this? The Gucci CEO going to see you on the street and go like this? It's like the Gucci CEO is going to see you on the street and go, does that say Gucci on it? And I somehow know that's not one of our shirts? That is copyright infringement. You cannot do that. Are you serious? I am doing a lawsuit on you right now because I'm somehow in the place you are. And how the hell am I gonna know that? Anyways. How the hell are they gonna know that? You know what I mean? Alright, anyways. 21,293. Right now we're just waiting to see where Bitcoin goes right now, man. I mean, you can't really do TA on something that's already dumped like 3% on the stream, you know what I'm saying? We're waiting to see if it wants to bounce back up. I still think it's coming down to at least 20,800, okay? And then we'll go from there. And then we'll go from there, man. I mean, it's why I've been saying the same thing for the last week. I love you guys. Some of you guys listened, some of you guys didn't. It is what it is. And now I'm going to keep saying the same thing. 20,800 is where we're going next. If we break that, we're coming back down to the bottom of the bear flag. If we break that, well, it's back to Goblin Town. Okay? A lot of it's going to depend on what the news is on Wednesday, though. So keep it up. Like, if the news on Wednesday is bullish, we're going to bounce on one of these levels here. Okay? It's just a matter of where we end up by that time. And if the news ends up being not necessarily bullish, but it ends up being what we expect, which is 75 basis points on the rate hike, and hopefully not 100 or more, you know? So it's kind of what we're expecting here. Let's see. Let's see. Jordan trolling us? You don't want to see what Jabba's doing right now, man. I'm telling you.
Oh God, man.
You don't want to see what he's doing right now. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I told you guys didn't want to know. I told you. I told you, man. I tried telling you. All right. So, anyways, man. What's the issue? What's the sort of issue we're doing now? Let me just take off the weekly time frame. All right. What's the issue that that we sort of see here now? The issue that I see on the charts is now, I mean, the one thing I was looking forward to is, all right, we had this red vector here. We know we come back up and take the vector candles. The major issue that we have now is now we've come back up and taken this, but we got rejected. Okay? So not only did we come back up and take this red vector here, okay, we also tried to get back above the 200 moving average and we got rejected as well. Okay? So, right now, you know, I'll continue to say, to me, I'm not going to overreact to price action yet. As always, I wait for breaks, and I'm not going to say Bitcoin's going to lower lows until we break out of this bear flag. Okay. Right now, we said that would be like 20,200. Okay. Until we break that, it's not the end of the world. So don't get your panties in a bunch just yet. But to me, on the weekly, this was like the worst case scenario we could have done. Right? It was just get this little fake pump to the upside. You know, get rejected here. Not even make it up to 30K, and just dump back down. You know, because now you have this, you don't need to come back up here anymore. You've already came back up here. So it is what it is. You know, you look at the weekly RSI, we've now reset it a little bit. Now it has some more room to run to the downside as well. I mean, it is what it is, man. It is what it freaking is. It is what it freaking is. Some of the indicators we've been looking at. So let's go over here. And let's go to, where's our market cipher B? There we go. We did get that cross on market cipher. We did see that 28% move to the upside. We did say that you see at least a 28% move to the upside when you get the market cipher cross here on momentum. You did see that cross. You got the 28% move. Bada bing, bada boom, man. Bada bing, bada boom. Clint said the major issue we have is there isn't a single reason BTC should move up significantly for months on end. Clint, yes, you are absolutely telling the facts, but you know how it is in the space, man. People need reasons, okay? You need reasons. That's what it is. But Glenn, I would generally agree with you, man. The basic premise is I don't see a reason why everything should pump up to oblivion, you know? That's why the charts can look great, but what's going to pump up the price? You need to wait for you really just need to wait for a Fed pivot, you know? And that's really it. Until you see that, people are going to be fearful in investing any significant amount of money into crypto, okay? We have all these earnings this week. Do you think we're going to see one of these companies invested into crypto? I'm going to be honest. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I'm not trying to cause FUD. But the prices are low right now, okay? The prices are low. Well, what was the narrative at the top, right? The next bear market, the institutions are going to be buying in like crazy. When the prices go low again, they're going to be buying in the bear market. It's going to be institution-driven next bull market. Do we think that one company this week is going to have Bitcoin on their balance sheet? Let me know in the chat. Because if they were really going to buy in a bear market, you would think that some of them would. Let me know in the chat. Do you think one company will have Bitcoin on their balance sheet? And if it was so bullish, you would think that one of them would. Okay? I'm just keeping it real, man. I'm not trying to FUD the price. I'm basically just saying I don't think it's time for Bitcoin to go to the upside just yet. There will be a time, but now's not the time yet. Okay? I'm not trying to sound like a dick. I'm just trying to keep it real because a lot of people won't keep it real. They're just going to tell you it's bullish, bullish, bullish until the price goes to freaking chaka-choo-choo. You know what I'm saying? So,
Rant alert.
this is what it is, man. Let's see. LB Crypto said, yep. No. Tesla? I mean, of course Tesla will have one. Come on, man. Of course Tesla will. And of course MicroStrategies will, but we already know that. Will a new one have it? Let's see. Tesla still have it, so that's one? Yes. Technically speaking. You guys know what I'm saying, though. You guys know what I'm saying. You guys are too funny, man. We got a screaming kid in the background. Literally a screaming kid. That means Bob must be around. I mean, sorry, that must mean Uncle Bill must be around. Uncle Bill is creepy as hell, man. Uncle Bill. Man, I need to get rid of Uncle Bill, man. He creeps me out. Uncle Bill creeps me out more than anyone, man. Oh, gosh. Let's see. So let's do this poll. Do you think Bitcoin breaks 21.5K on a daily close by Wednesday? 67% said yes. Okay. Oh, man, dude. That's too funny. That's too funny, man. Apple will have it. Hopefully. LB. I hope Apple will have it. I hope a company will have it. That would be super bullish. If Apple came out and had it, that would be awesome. Amazon had it, that would be awesome. Google had it, that would be awesome. We'll see. All right? We'll find out. Poor Uncle Bill. Oh, God. Oh, God, man. Are you drinking windshield wiper fluid? What are you talking about, man? All right, so 21,200. Now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait for Bitcoin's next move. You know? Let's see. See what you guys say in the chat. Guys, I'm not commenting on that guy. Okay? There's a reason I'm not commenting on that guy. Okay? It doesn't have anything to do with me. But what I've heard around the grapevine, is don't say anything because it's just gonna make you have to go through this freaking bullshit. So there's a reason why I'm not saying that. Okay. But anyways, don't be saying that stuff in the chat either. That's not helping the cause here. Companies have bigger issues right now than screwing around buying crypto. I would, Clint, I would agree, man. Listen, I would agree with you, yes. Okay? Generally speaking right now. And that's sort of my argument with people thinking that Bitcoin's bullish right now. Give me one major company that's buying Bitcoin right now. Give me one. It's not like we'll say, oh, we might not know. Oh, we'll find out this week. You know what I mean? On a lot of them. He likes cheeseburgers. Nice. Let's see. Jordan, do you know Bobby Babowski? I feel like I do know who that is, to be honest.
Jordan, do you know Bobby Babowski?
I feel like I know who that is, my friend. I feel like I do. Let's see. He's talking about the... All right, here we go. We're getting a little bit more dumpage action here. Back down to the downside, man.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Jordan is a tether whale. That's funny, man. All right. I feel like I know who that is, by the way. I can't think of who it is, you know? All right. Let's hang out, man. Let's hang out. If you guys want me to look at anything, I mean, I can. Looks like, man. Man, do we have to bust them out? Do we have to bust them out?
Jordan! Jordan! We broke the triple top formation, but they told me ETH was bullish. They told me the merge was coming. I'm going short. I am shorting right now. I am shorting the breakout right now. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh, why can I not transfer anything to Coinbase? This is ridiculous. Now, there we go. There we go. Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, Horse Guy is currently trading the breakout. You know what to do. You know what to do. What we're going to do is we're going to dump it a little bit more. And then we're going to pump it back up just a little bit to make him close his short. And then we're going to dump ETH down to $800. Yes, yes. Yes, we're going to piss him off. Yes, do it now. Dump it a little bit more and then pump it. And then dump it again.
Dump it.
Pump it.
Ooh, I'm going to close my short. It's pumping up again. Oh, I'm going to close it.
Dump it.
What? No! It's dumping again?
Bob's going nuts. Anyways. 21,139. So we're coming back down. ETH did break that level we were talking about, guys. So if we look at ETH, I wouldn't be surprised if this retraces a little bit. You got the red vector on the full hour, but you did break those previous lows, man. So you know what this is setting up. All right? You know what this is setting up, man. Stu manipulation. You know what we got, man. Are we going to see the infamous Bart Simpson pattern? Let's see what Bart Simpson. Yay, what's going on, Bart Simpson fans? Today we're going to talk crypto. And we're going to do the classic Bart Simpson pattern, which is dumped right back down to the downside. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. If you guys could like up the stream for Jordan, by the way. I know you don't like me, okay? I make Bitcoin dumb, but if you could like the stream for Jordan, that would be absolutely phenomenal, okay? See ya. Thank you. Thank you, Bart. Thank you, Bart. Let's see. Dead on Bart voice? That wasn't Bart's voice. That wasn't Bart's voice, man. All right, well, now we kind of just sit and watch short-term price action because that's what we do here, you know? When we do get short-term price action. We're coming up to our first target, though. Our first target was this yellow vector candle here. Coming up right at 21,040 to... It's right around the 21K range. So let's see if we can get a short-term support here. I wouldn't be surprised whatsoever if we get a little bit of a short-term support. Just a tad, just a tad. Let's see. Let's see. Eat my shorts. Dan said eat my shorts. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Scamwick is going to get you. I need a shower after this stream. That was Bart impersonating Jordan's voice. Short-term or shit-term price action. True, true. I guess you could say it's a little bit of both, no? A little bit of both. Eat my shoe? I'm not eating any shoe. Hell no. What's the weather? It was like thunder and lightning out today for like 2 minutes. The weather said, oh, what's going to have a thunder and lightning storm for like 5-6 hours today. 90% chance. What happens what happens when the weather comes? Oh, you know, you get literally, it rains for literally 2 minutes and you hear two thunder strikes or lightning strikes. You literally hear two. It's right. Lately, the weather, whoever does the weather is horrible, man. I'm not talking about the people on TV. I'm talking about the app on the phone. Holy shit, man. Every day they say it's going to rain, it doesn't rain. Every day they think it's going to rain, it doesn't. Every day they doesn't rain, it does. So now I just do the opposite. Fear and Greed ads said, Alfie, let's do it, my man. Let's do it. Let's see what we got here on Fear and Greed ads today. Let's do a little fresh. Hopefully I don't get any awkward ads here. All right, here we go, because I've been searching very, very awkward things here. Very, very awkward things. Let me go back over here. So Fear and Greed ads, what we got? What we got, man? Weatherman could be consistently wrong. Facts. Fear and Greed ads. We got our, what are these, man? I don't like these. All right, let's try to get True Classic Tees back. You know how we do this. You know how we do the True Classic Tees. Fear and Greed is now at 26, so people are starting to get a little bit of shimmering in their gimborees just a little bit. You know how we bring the Fear and Greed ads. Let's pick up the mic and let's say this. True Classic Tees. I need some True Classic Tees. I want to buy some True Classic Tees. Where do I find True Classic Tees? I need some good t-shirts. I want some really smooth t-shirts. Okay? I want every type of... I need t-shirts for Christmas. Okay, now let's see. Let's see. All right, if Google's listening, if Google is listening right now, all right, I should get the Fear and Greed ads. All right, sorry, I should get the True Classic Tees ads. All right? Everyone type True Classic Tees in the chat, too. All right, here we go. I'm going to give it 5 seconds. Let the algorithm... Volume? No way that was that loud. I apologize, guys. I didn't think it would be that loud, man. Oh, my bad. My bad, man. I didn't think it would be that loud. But if we go over here, okay, let's refresh True Classic Tees. And let's refresh. Here we go. Okay. You get the opposite. You get Elliott Wave Analysis Tool. What is this, man? Elliott Wave Analysis Tool? I guess it knows that I've been watching Savvy for a little bit. I guess it knows I've been watching Savvy. This is ridiculous, man. This is ridiculous. Jordan, I know you've been watching me. I know you've been watching me. All right, let me... my wife's not here? Okay, yeah. Jordan's been watching me. I know what I have to do that. I know what I have to do. Let's watch Jordan a little bit closer. He's been watching the old Elliott Waves. Yeah. He likes it. He doesn't like Litecoin, but he likes Bitcoin like me. Wow, he's bearish just like me. Wow, we have so much in common. Yeah. Wow. God. Oh, man. No, but Elliott Wave Analysis Tool. It's quite interesting. Yes, I've been watching Savvy a little bit. No, I haven't really been watching Savvy. I watched Savvy the other day. Savvy's been killing it. I got to give him a little bit of credit, man. You can't trick Google. It knows. It does know. It does. Let's see. It's the dude from the Goonies. That was... All right. So we came back down to 21K. We're still waiting. You want to refresh one more time? All right, let's refresh one more time. Oh! Boom! True Classic Tees, black brief and black ankle sock bundle. Hey! Let's go, man. There we go, man. True Classic Tees. Took a little while for the Google algorithm to come up. I know they're listening. They always listen to me. Always, every single time. It's kind of ridiculous. All right, Bitcoin's still coming back down here, guys. So we're just watching the short-term charts. Listen, I can. What I already talked about the last week has already played out. We broke 21.5. Okay, so right now all we can really do is watch where Bitcoin tries to get a bounce. The first level is 21K, which we just wicked almost to right now. 21K, and if that level breaks, we got quite possibly, to be fair, the bottom of our bear flaggy flag. And if that breaks, 18.8. But, you know, we'll take it level by level here. We'll take it level by level as we go. All right? I'm not going to call for 17K here. I take it level by level when it comes to me. All right. So, man. That's crazy, man. It's crazy how this rejection just played out once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It was almost too obvious. I don't know. To me, it was almost too obvious. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't to everyone. But we'll see. I mean, does it break up in the next attempt? Right? Let's do a little dubious speculation here. I'm going to do a little dubious speculation. Okay? Take it for what you will. A little dubious speculation. Let's say Bitcoin comes back down to let's say 18K. I'm gonna keep it conservative. 18K. And then it tries to come back up. Is that going to be the time where this breaks out and that's going to be the start of the rally? Let's find out. Now, I want to do a quick dubious speculation too on this. Right? So we know we had bear flag after bear flag after bear flag. I'm curious if this one's going to play out the same way, but let me actually do a couple dubious speculations here. Let me actually bring on my good friend Ben, who's going to tell you guys about his dubious speculations. Come on, Ben. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, another bear flag. If you guys enjoy the content, make sure you smack up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join intothecryptoverse.com, which you can find a link to in the description below. Now, let's jump on right in. So, if we look at what Bitcoin's formed again, it's just the opposite of the pattern that we saw in the previous bull market. In the previous bull market, we saw falling wedge break up to the upside every single time. Okay? The unfortunate situation that we find ourselves in now, and why I'm being a little bit dubious and I'm not scheduling my Forbes interview just yet, is this. Okay? If you look at the 2 previous bear flags, from our swing top to our swing bottom, we extrapolate this down, we know that this target hit. If we take this bear flag from this swing high to this swing low, and we extrapolate that down, we know that that one hit. Okay? So if we did a little dubious speculation, now this is not guaranteed, but if we just did a little bit dubious speculation, if we took this swing high to this swing low, and we brought that down, that's going to give us a target of back down at $13,000. Now, guys, that's a little bit crazy. That would break every model that I've looked at, extended cycles, 4-year cycle, everything. But that's all I have to say today, guys. 13,000 would put us below the bull market resistance band, and that's it. All right. So, as always, guys, intothecryptoverse.com. Catch you guys later. Bye. Thank you, Ben. Man. But anyways, yeah, I mean, listen, it's not a guarantee this plays out. It is what it is. It's just dubious speculation, as we would say. But the target is down to 13K. If keyword, if this breaks to the downside. Okay? And let me ask you guys in the chat real quick. Okay? Let me ask you guys in the chat. Do you think there's any chance that Bitcoin does get that fall back down to 13K over the course of the next couple weeks to months? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys think Bitcoin hits, let's say 13K, man. Let's say 14K. Do you think there's any chance? Let me know. Let's see. Dimitri said no. Jordan, zoom out on monthly. 13K is perfect sense to retest. Is it on the monthly? Yeah, man. I mean, at 14K, I mean, this is what we said in the past. I mean, listen, a lot of people will say, oh my God, that's crazy. Is it? I mean, when we were at 30K, people would have said 17K was crazy, including myself. So I'm not going to call anything crazy nowadays. All right? Doesn't mean I'm not still dollar cost averaging as we're continuing down, but I'm not going to call anything crazy. Because quite frankly, anyone at 30K that said anything below 20K is never going to happen, and it did. Okay? Including myself. So I'm not making that same mistake again. Now, could we bounce from here? Sure. We've done it in the past. 2018, we bounced from this certain level in the Gaussian channel. We bounced back up. Now, what I think is interesting is the two previous bear markets, before we started a bull market, we tested the middle of the Gaussian channel. All right? We did it right here in 2020. We did it right here back in 2015. Right now, conveniently enough, where does that sit? That's sitting right at 14,000 US dollars. Now, and quite frankly, that also is a very important level in the monthly as well. Okay? If we look where that sits, it sits right there. 14K, wick, 14K, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. So 14K would make a lot of sense on the charts. Okay? I'm not going to say it's guaranteed to happen, but it might. But it might. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. See you guys are saying in the chat. Make a poll. Won't be surprised. I think 13K. Depends on what the stock market does. Facts. Still watching price action, by the way, guys. Still watching price action, by the way. Dubious guesstimation. That's true. Biggest flash crash incoming. That sounds a little crazy at the moment, man. neck sweat is dripping to the downside. What neck sweat? The only guy who has neck sweat is Bob right now because he's trying to catch the ketchup. You know what I'm saying?
Wow! Look at the ketchup! Let me get out from behind this desk. Wow! Drip in my mouth. I'm gonna save this later for the meatloaf in between my teeth. Come on, drip! Drip! I know you want to dump lower. Come on, squeeze that ketchup, market makers. Come on, man. My neck. Oh my god, friggin' cramp. I got a friggin' cramp in my neck. Ma. I got a cramp. Bring me the friggin' magnesium.
Oh God. But let me get back on my desk. There we go. Back on my desk. I love this desk. This is a great desk. It's so minimalist. It's great. Anyways. Let's see. Carl the Spoon was Bob's errand boy. Carl the Spoon? I love Carl the Spoon. I lost Carl the Spoon's face, by the way. And it somewhat upset me a little bit. It somewhat upset me. That just goes to show you wait for the ketchup to come to you. You don't go to the ketchup. Facts. All right, here we go. 21K. So let's go back to the hourly chart. Look where we're going to, man. Right to that 21K level. This could be a point where we do see a bounce. All right? Right at 21K. You got a yellow vector candle looking left. Wouldn't be surprised if you see a short-term bounce. If it dumps straight through this, that just shows that you are bearish as a mofo right now. Okay? If it dumps straight through this. I'm actually curious where the stock market futures are sitting right now. Let's go look at the stock market futures real quick. Let me do a quick refresh here on old little Yahoo Finance. Looks like they're down 0.5% already. We'll see where it ends up going into tomorrow, but that's pretty quick for that much. So let's see. There could be a reason why Bitcoin's coming back down a little bit here. All right. But this 21K level could be a point where we get a little bit of a short-term bounce, reset some of these indicators. All right. Uncle Bill, man. Uncle Bill needs... Uncle Bill, get out from under there, man. Holy moly. But anyways, let's go back over here. Yeah. That's where we're sitting right now. Old 21K. Rip through that. Everyone wants the price to go down, man. It's so crazy. It's so crazy, like where the market has come to, is where everyone just wants the price to go lower, and it's crazy because I feel like since like 30K, everyone has just wanted the price to go lower, and it just has. At some point, it's not going to. It's just a matter of when, you know. I feel like let me ask the chat. This is a good poll. Do you want? And it's gonna be straight up. Do you want Bitcoin to go up or down? Let me ask the chat because I'm curious. It seems like everyone wants the price to go down. Up or down? Let me know in the chat. Let's see. Stop manipulating. My style of trading works best with dumps. Does it? Everyone wants, but no one is buying. That's so true. Everyone wants lower prices, but no one buys when lower prices come in. Key, stop being salty, man. You just keep saying I don't care. Down to Goblin Town like a big load of brown. Let's see. But I voted down. Look at this thing. 70% of people want the price to go down. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. At 36K. Let's see. I think everyone is just broke. Could be. Could be a good reason for that. For sure. I'm buying, said Big Don. I want to buy ETH below 700. Yeah, I mean, ETH is coming down hot and heavy now. 1418. Here comes ETH. 2 levels I'm watching. Right here, 1277. And this blue vector here at about 1150. The 2 levels I'm watching. But this is looking like a classic Bart Simpson to the downside. A very, very, very classic Bart Simpson back to the downside. You know? Very, very classic, if you ask me. Breaking 21. Clint said, I asked the wife to go down a little further the other night. She slapped the shit out of me. Did it look something like this, Clint?
Hey, Melissa! Jordan's gone! You want to do something on this desk? Come on, Jordan's gone. No, it's okay, no. No, don't worry, no, just come on. You don't have to sit on the chair. I know it's weird to sit on my brother's chair. Just go on the desk. No, actually, no, you know what? Just come over here.
I lost. Hold on. Where is she? Oh, I lost her, man. Oh, hold on. I got this. Come here. Yeah, come here. All right, Java. What do you want me to do? Here I come, baby. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna stop. Getting too deep into that. Let me get out of this. Let me go over here. Now look like a red lobster. There we go. Jabba's face is as wide as a desk? No way, man. No way. Liquidation is... Oh, man. It's too crazy, man. Clint for the win. All right, look at that bounce, though. Perfect bounce off that yellow vector candle looking left, man. You got to love it. You got to love it when TA works. Right here. 21K, right to the bottom of the vector. Where did Bitcoin get a short-term bounce? Right at the bottom of that vector. You got to love it. You got to freaking love it. Now, like I said, wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin gets a short-term bounce from this level. Just like we said about 15 minutes ago. Right, you got your 15-minute stocks bottomed out. 15-minute RSIs oversold. Hourly RSIs oversold. Wouldn't be surprised now if Bitcoin actually does this. Where's my little handy dandy vector? No, not my handy dandy vector. My handy dandy path tool. Won't be surprised. Comes back up. Takes this. Who is this kid just screaming like a freaking banshee? It's like not like a cute stream either. It's like one of those like loud screeching ones. Right here, right? I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin comes back up short term, takes this red vector, and then from there, which is basically a retest at the $21,500 level, and then gets rejected. It comes right back down to Goblin Town. Wouldn't be surprised whatsoever. We'll see if that plays out, but nonetheless, like I said, wouldn't be surprised if that happens. This new look is horrible. I'm not staying on this, man. I'm just having fun with the stream, man. I gotta keep it fresh and fun. I do it every day, you know. Let's see. The volatility is about to go crazy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it freaking is. All right. So that's the nutshell. I guess the basic nutshell. Go with the rant. Jordan looks like a soapbox derby racer. The dude, don't be saying that in the chat, man. Hourly vector. Yeah, the hourly does have a vector all the way back up here at 21.9. We'll see if it wants to go that high. I'm not convinced it's gonna bounce back up to take this one. But we'll see. We'll see. They usually get taken, so I might eat my words, and it might come back up and take that one. My views on sand. I'm gonna be honest, man. I mean, all alts are probably look the same right now. Let me look at altcoins. Sol. Yeah, Sol looked like it was forming some type of wedge formation. Looks like it broke into the downside. Like I always said. When a coin breaks a bullish pattern to the downside, that just shows it's how bearish it is at the moment. If it breaks a bearish pattern to the upside, that just shows how bullish it is at the moment. Right now, Sol did break that to the downside. So, I mean, if we look at Sol, and we look deep into its soul, deep into its soul, let's see. You did come back down and take all those vectors looking left, though. Actually, no, you didn't. I'm sorry. You got ones all the way back down here. Right here, 35 bucks. And you got here 34 bucks. So, I would probably bet on Sol coming back down and take at least those. Looking down, you do have a blue one down here, too. So, like I said, 35, 34, would not be surprised to see Sol come back down and take those, to be honest, in the short term. This looks like it just rounded out, rolled over. It's coming back down to the downside. You should discuss altcoin potential price for next bull run. Yeah, I mean, I would do that. I think it's a little bit too early because we don't know where everything's bottoming out. Okay? I mean, do you ever know? You don't. I mean, even when prices are going up, you don't know if it's the bottom. But to be fair, I'm going to generally stay away from that as far as trying to predict where certain coins are going to go. I know that stuff gets clicks, but I'm going to be honest. There was people calling for $385 XRP in 2021. I mean, to be quite frank, I was calling for higher prices on coins too. And to be quite frank, I mean, trying to call the tops for certain coins is sort of ridiculous. And now that I look back at it, it's sort of ridiculous. So I'm going to generally stay away from that. I'm going to take level by level and kind of go from there, you know? That's like saying, I think Bitcoin's going to 300K. Why? I think it is. Or, you know, I think Ethereum's going to 20K. Why? I think it is. You know? There's no reasoning behind it. You're just making some like baseless thing that you don't even know where the bottom is yet. So you're just making some baseless thing. That's kind of ridiculous, you know? Deju said, remember way back when you said if XRP came back to the 30-cent range, you would buy some? Did you stick to your plan? I did not buy an XRP. You know why? You know why I didn't buy any XRP? Let me bring up XRP. Let me see. I did not buy any XRP. I actually don't have a good reason why I didn't buy any XRP. Mainly because listen. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. I will buy at certain levels for certain things, but I'll switch my what coins I want to buy. I think I said that when there was some hope that the XRP case was going to be settled this year. There is none. There's no chance of that. To be quite frank, I'm just not interested in investing in XRP. I'm going to be quite honest. Like, I'm not going to be one of those guys who keeps holding out for this to be settled. It's like 2 years now. I mean, everyone can do what they want to do, but yeah, I mean, XRP to me does not interest me. All right, I've always said that. Nothing's really changed, I guess. Nothing's really changed. Straight down 21K. Yeah, it looks like we're coming back down to 21K again. Let's see. Stick to my plan. Hey, I will stick to my plan when it comes to buys, man. Let's see. They can drag the lawsuit out for years. Facts. Cryptos R Us say that's how TA is done anyway, one day at a time. Yeah. I'm not going to be making bull market predictions at the moment, you know? Let's see. You will regret? It is what it is. If I do, it does, you know? If I do, it does. Exactly, Teju. You know what it is. You know what it is, man. I mean, right now, listen. I know a lot of people are probably a little mad. A lot of people are pretty a little mad at me, okay? You know, and I get why. I'm not going to make the joke again, though. I'm not going to make the joke again. But here's the thing, man. Bitcoin's back down at 21K again. You know, Bitcoin's come back. It's all the way back down. If you go to the daily, let's go back to the daily time frame real quick. Bitcoin's back down at 21K. It's now back in the range. Okay, it's back in that range that we wanted to get out of for like a month. It's back down to, you know, in between that 22K and 19K range. Okay, where we were going sideways for a month. We were saying a DCA at the bottoms here. Okay, if you did, shout out to you. And same thing, if you took profits on the way up, shout out to you. Okay, if you did the opposite, if you didn't buy down here and you bought up here, well, you're getting another chance. You're getting another chance here. Okay, so once again, my take is, you know, if you DCA down here, great. If it comes back down here again and test support, which I do think it will, I think it will come back down to test the support again. Just make a different decision this next time, right? Buy on the way down. Don't buy on the way up. Okay? So as the price is coming back down here and we come back into this range, okay, if we do, we might not, but that's the whole point of buying on this time. But if we come back into this range, make sure you don't make the same decision again. Where if it bounces off the support again, hallelujah, we're coming back to the upside, you got to make that decision again. You know, and it's probably just going to be another fake out to the upside again because we're in a bear market, right? Buy supports, not resistances. Yes, supports can turn, you can blow right through supports easily. That's not the point, okay? Buy supports, not resistance. Buy supports, not resistance. Buy red candles, not green candles. That's it. That's it. You know what I mean? Like, I know it's easy to say in hindsight, oh, we dumped here, you know? But the whole point of it is don't buy right here, okay? And then you wouldn't have to worry about this being a fake pump or being a real pump. That's the whole point, you know? I'm not trying to be a dick like I was for the last week, but the whole point was you were down in this range for a month, you know? You were in this range for a day, and you decided to buy on this day or these days instead of accumulating down here because you're going to wait for the breakout. But this is what happens when you wait for the breakout. You wait for the breakout, you end up buying the fake out. That's a great saying, by the way. It's a great saying, right? If you buy the fake out, you're gonna buy. If you buy the breakout, you're gonna buy the fake out. Buy support, not the damn fake out. Okay, that's it. That's it. So going forward, we're gonna put this behind us. If we come back into this range again, make sure you buy in support. If we come lower, make sure you're buying whatever level you think is the key level. Not waiting for the price to go back up just for you to FOMO back into a fake rally again. Okay? That's it. That's it, man. That's it. All right? Until proven otherwise, every pump that I see, I'm going to assume that it's a fake pump. Every single time. If you get mad at me for it, if you say Jordan's always bearish, well, there's a reason why I am. Because every single pump that we've gotten over the course of the last nine months now has been a fake pump. Okay? I'm going to keep it real. I'm not just going to get bullish because we went to 23K. Okay? It is what it is. All right?
Rant alert.
All right. Anyways. My rant is done. My rant is done, man. My rant is done. My rant is done. It is what it is. I can tell the people who get mad because the people who got mad are the ones that bought right there. It is what it is, man. We banter more here. We banter more here than with Rand. Facts. We banter a lot, man. We banter a lot. But I think that's why I love you guys. Because we have a lot of banter back and forth. You guys call me out. I call you out. You know? It is what it is. That's true, Rake. I guess. Thank you, Skillful. Thank you, Skillful. How much Banter Coin is going for? Banter Coin. Is that real? Did Banter actually come out with a coin, or am I just making this up? Can we get dump music? I got you, man. There it is, man. Alright, here we go. 21K. Coming back down to the downside again. Let's see if we break 21K here. If we break 21K, let's see. If we break 21K, like we said, to the downside. Where's my I swear I draw rectangles, okay? And then they just disappear. Is it just me, or you guys, does that happen to you guys on TradingView too, man? I draw so many rectangles. You guys even saw on stream earlier. I draw like this rectangle, this one was there. But where are my other ones now? My handy dandy rectangles, man. Where are they? Anyways, if we break there, next one I'm looking at 20,787, which is not a huge move, but you know, that's the bottom of this daily vector here. Such a lovely melody. It is. It is. Total market cap. I love this song now. God, it's so sad where this market's come from. Everyone loves the dump music now, and everyone hated it back in the day. Do you want Bitcoin to go up or down? Look at this. 65% of people want Bitcoin to go down. That's nuts, man. That's nuts. White stopping volume candle on the Binance chart. Let me switch over to the Binance chart real quick. BTC, USDT. We go to Binance. Which time frame, my guy? Okay, on the hourly. Got you. On the hourly. Yeah, like I said, 21K in theory should be some support level. It's the psychological support, 21,000, right? Even number. Market makers love even numbers. Okay? And you got a yellow vector looking left. I mean, it's simple as that. You got hourly stocks bottoming out. You got 15-minute stocks bottoming out. You got hourly RSI bottomed out. Wouldn't be surprised to see a short-term rally back up to 21.5, and then we can kind of decide what we want to do from there, you know? I bought the stream fake out last night when we got to my Panda Express. Got home, pulled it. Mike, that's funny, man. You guys make me laugh in the chat, dude. Nick said the Bitcoin fad is over. Oh, God. All right, it's not that bad. All right, pencil neck in the chat alert. Here we go. All right, rant alert from pencil neck. Where is he? Here he is.
Rant alert.
Look at all these bulls in the chat. God, man, the Bitcoin fad is over, man. It's over. Don't you know? That's the word around these streets. The Bitcoin fad is over. Ethereum's already dead. All right? Let me type that in the chat. The Bitcoin fad is over. Yeah, it's not like everything's going down. Stock market, housing market, everything's going down. But just Bitcoin's over. Yeah, Bitcoin is over. Let's see what people say in the chat. Let's see. Wow, people disagree with me. That means I got on their nerves. I'm a good pencil neck, aren't I? Aren't I, Mom? Mom, am I a good pencil neck? Yeah? Yeah, you approve of me? Thank you. Thank you. All right. Anyways, you gotta love pencil neck, man. That's not pencil neck, that's Brock Lesnar. He has salty traps. Big freaking, I guess big freaking traps. Let's see. Super Inferno said just downloaded TradingView. Nice, man. Good luck, man. Slothbag said if you were starving, would you eat your boogers to stay alive? I love these questions, man. Brock Lesnar. Would I eat my boogers to stay alive if I was starving? Of course I would. I think anyone would eat their boogers to stay alive. You know what I mean? Who would say no to that? But you would at least try. Like if you had no other chance, if you had no other chance to live, you would try everything. You would try eating your earwax. You would try eating your boogers. You would probably even try eating your shit. All right? You know what I mean? Like, if you were about to die, you would try anything not to die. If we're being honest. Let's be honest. Like, let's not sugarcoat things. We know that's true. Get out of here, man. But here we go. 20,984. I'd rather die. I mean, we know how Vitalik feels about that, you know? Where is he? Where's Vitalik? Where's Vitalik? Here he is. Oh my God, yes. Yes, you know he would eat him. He puts him on the wall. So you know he would eat him too. People say that's not Vitalik. Of course it is. Look at him. Look at his shirt. You can tell it is. Look at his shirt. Look at his hair in the back too. Like that's the sign of a genius. When the back of their hair sticks up, that's the sign of a genius. That's a sign that they don't give a F what you think about them. You're gonna do whatever you think. You don't have to be you don't have to be starving to eat your boogers. Well, I technically no, you don't have to be. Look at the merge. Vitalik is not even starving. Let's see. Just saving them for later. He puts them on the wall to dry for eating later. He likes them dry and crunchy. He does. He does. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You guys think the dumpage is over tonight, or we're gonna continue down tonight? What do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the chat. Your financial future is in that man's hands. Yeah, that hands and this hands too. Oh God. Time to, I got the alarm. The alarm means time to clean the bathroom. You guys heard the alarm. Time to clean the bathroom. Eh, Vitalik, clappy, 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 clappy. There we go. Mimi said we're going lower. Just close my ETH short. Yeah, we're at a point where I think we get a little. I mean, who knows? But you know, we know how Bitcoin is. But I think we're at a point where we could get a little short-term bounce. You know. Wolfie with the super chat. What's going on, Wolfie? And Clayton with the super chat too. Shout out to Clayton and Wolfie, man. Shout out to you guys. That awful sound that wakes me up every day. Nice. I thought it was my phone going off. Yeah, everyone uses that alarm. Maybe because it's the default one, and I just haven't changed it. You know. Liam comes in with the joke. You may think this is funny, but it's snot. That's a good one, man. That's a good one. I like that one a lot. My financial freedom depends on a wall booger clapper. Nice. Wolfgang, you said you just shout me out? Well, I did now, Wolfgang. There you go. Shout out to Wolfgang, man. Remember the good old days where we sent in 1 ETH and got 2 back? Yeah, don't fall for that scam, man. You know what I mean? It's crazy to me. It's crazy to me. And listen, I guess. No, I'll keep my mouth shut on this one. I know when to keep my mouth shut and not to keep my mouth shut. Let's see. Because that alarm wakes up the dead. It does. That is probably one of the most annoying sounds there is that alarm sound. You know, name another annoying alarm sound. Annoying alarm sound. Probably to my voice or Bob's voice. Imagine you put your alarm and then you just do this.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Just over and over and over again till you get up. That would be pretty brutal. I like egg salad. Oh, man. Dan said horse guy. Dan doesn't like horse guy, man. Horse guy is kind of hit or miss, I guess. Some people love my cousin horse guy. Some people hate him, you know? It is what it is. There's the crypto banter alarm sound as well. That's true. That's very true. Recorded set. Horse guy alarm. God. Wake up, grab a brush, and put a little makeup. Alex hates. You can't hate horse guy, man. He's just a poor soul, you know. He didn't do anything wrong. I like horse guys. My liquidity. That's facts. Step back from the camera. Ridiculous. Hell no. Hell no. All right, guys. I think Bitcoin's going to get a little bounce here from 21K. So I'm going to take the time to exit left. Catch the members tomorrow morning, 9:45. All right, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Looks like the futures are coming down a little bit. So about 0.56% so far. Still relatively early, so we could wake up tomorrow and that could change. But we'll see what that looks like tomorrow. See if it impacts the Bitcoin price. It's probably why Bitcoin's coming down a little bit. We know it follows the stock markets, so keep that in mind. And we'll see what the rest of the week brings us, man. Like I said, it's going to be a volatile week. It's already started to be a volatile week. We already got a little dumpy dump to the downside here. Excuse you. Holy moly. But I know, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 9:45. If I don't catch the rest of you, I'll see you at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? I got to go wash the bathroom, right? It's 9 o'clock. I'm supposed to do it at 9 o'clock. It's 9:04, which means I have to clean the bathroom for an extra 4 minutes. Boo-hoo. I should have did it earlier, but it is what it is. I'll catch you guys later, all right? Adios, guys. Peace.